Hey everyone, so today I've got Riley here, and Riley's gonna model, he's got perfect hair for tidal wave. Now I've done some videos, actually many videos, which you've seen, right? You've seen my videos about this hairstyle. This is the trending hairstyle that a lot of people want, especially teens and people who are just looking for that kind of wake and wear hairstyle. And what I'm gonna do is demonstrate how I think this could be a great styling option for many of you who want this type of look. I'll break down his hair, and I'm excited to do this, so let's get started. So Riley does have a lot of hair, and he's got pretty thick hair. So this is also a great type of texture if you are looking for a messy look. Now there's a few ways you can have this cut. You can cut this in a way where you've got some layering into here. You definitely need layering, so let's turn the head slightly this way. So all of this up here is layered. If you don't have any layers to your hair, what's gonna happen, it's gonna lay very, very flat, okay? Also, you can achieve this haircut by growing your hair out. So say you get a haircut and you grow your hair for a month and a half to 2 months, your hair could probably grow into this hairstyle depending on what you have. Okay, back this way. Now, also the length in the front. The length in the front, if you cut the hair too short, it's gonna spring way up. So if I cut this here, it's gonna be way up here, and that's what we're looking for. So if anything, this is an ideal length, but you could even have the length down to the bridge of the nose if you want more of that flip, right? That popular kind of flip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using Tidal Wave, which all of you know, it's my #1 best-selling product. This is my sea salt spray. This is ideal for this type of style. So what I like to do, and his hair is pretty much dry for the most part, I'm actually gonna spray 1 spritz, 2 spritzes, and 1 more for good luck. So 3 spritzes of Tidal Wave. You don't need a lot of this product, and that's what makes it so unique, and that's the way I created it. Being a professional hairstylist, I was like, I know what I'm looking for, and I know what I want. So I'm letting that settle in the hair, right, for a few seconds, 10 seconds or so. And then the great thing about this, especially even if you have fine hair, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to work my hands into the hair like this. And what I'm doing is I'm building volume. You can see just like that. Turn this way, you can see he's got loads of volume already just from me using the product. And the way this works is the more you work it into your hands and into your hair, the more of that texture you're gonna get of the sea salt type of texture. It's gonna give you that volume, and it's gonna create those flips. So we're gonna bring this back like this, work this product through, push down, shake the hair a little bit, and there we go. Now we've got those flips already in the front that everyone is kind of looking for. Turn this way, and then turn the other way. There we go. All right, so one more time, we're gonna bring this back. We're gonna make swirls on the head like this, and then we're creating instant flips and instant texture. And there we go. The whole point of this style, right? I know some of you may be like, oh, his hair is a little bit messy. I don't know if I want that. Let's just turn this way. There we go, right here. I don't know if I want that kind of look, but I'm telling you right now, I'm all about creating hair trends and setting trends, especially on social media. This is a popular look. Do you find, Riley, that a lot of people are wearing this type of hairstyle, do you think?
Yeah, the long, messy hair, that's what everyone's going for, especially teenagers.
Yeah, definitely. Do you think this is an easy maintenance type of style? Like you probably just wake up, shake your hair, and that's it?
Super easy, yeah, just quick, 5 seconds.
Yep.
Especially with the spray.
Yeah. So that's the whole unique thing about this. So it's a combination of the haircut, it's a combination of getting that texture, right? So you can see even throughout the sides here, let's spin out the back. So we've got some length throughout the back here. This is something I highly suggest going to probably a hairstylist for, as opposed to maybe a barber who's gonna cut your hair for 5 minutes and get you in and out. No clippers. This is all scissor work, okay? The one also unique thing about this is making sure this is thinned out a little bit. So because he has such thick hair, you can actually take thinning shears, which are these right here. Thinning shears like this, what they do is they just thin out the hair. So I like to go in and I'll kind of feel for areas that may be a little bit thick, and then what I do is I do a little chomp. So this is, the reason I can do this so easily is because I'm so experienced doing it, but you look for those thicker areas, and then what that does is it gives the hair a little bit more flexibility and freedom while you're messing it up. If the hair is too heavy, I know a lot of you are always looking like, oh, my hair just lays flat, it doesn't do anything. Well, that's because there's no layers. The hair is heavy on top. So it's not allowing the hair to move around freely, okay? So I just want to kind of showcase Riley's hair and how tidal wave works really, really great for this particular style. If you have this hairstyle, if this is something you're looking to get, I have so many tutorials about getting this type of hairstyle, but I know you like when I have live models on, and he has perfect hair for this. And once again, tidal wave. If you want to use any of my products or purchase them, you use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thank you so much for watching. And Riley, I'm letting the people know right now, if they want to follow you, they can, but you will probably get a lot of stalkers. Do you want me to post your social handle on here?
Absolutely.
Oh,
Absolutely.
he wants it. He wants it.
Absolutely.
All right, so I'll tag his Instagram in the description below so they can all find it.
Follow me.
That's right. Thank you, and I'll see you all soon.